Good day everybody. Today we got this Porter 2 TCI engine 2005. It's in a very good condition. Let's take a look at this car, show you everything from the outside and the inside. There's a bit of damage here, some rust. Alright, let's check the doors. I'll show you the engine as well. The door is in a good condition. Let's check the engine right now. Okay, let's start the engine first. Alright, I started the engine. As you see here. Alright, here we go. We're inside the car right now. Let's start it on. Put the keys on. Heat a little bit. Start the engine. Lights are gone, except for that red one. Red light. Let's try to accelerate. See the RPMs. Okay. Sure you can hear the engine, sounds okay. Goes up in a very good way. Not enough gas, but it's fine. Okay, let's try other stuff here. Let's try the audio.
그래서 오늘 목요일에 뵀었고 이제 오늘 화요일에 뵈니까 더 반갑고
Okay, audio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. Switch the fan on. Oh, it's too hot. Cold. The cold air started to come out. Not very cold yet. No, it's taking time actually. Control the mode. Started to cool down a little bit, but still not very cold. But the fans work perfectly. They're quite strong. This side as well, no problem. Okay, keep it on. Try the windows. Perfect. Works perfectly. It's the vehicle from inside. It's the steering wheel. Space in here. carefully. Sport and first. No problem, but reverse, no problem. The pedals. Brake works fine. Clutch. I think I've covered everything here. Yep. That's all.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
This was the review end of this Porter 2 2005 TCI engine. It's in a very good condition, as you've seen. If you're interested in this video, please, you can contact us at busyman.kr. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach us out. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.